Hello everyone, it's me Praveen Sharma and welcome to this YouTube channel for getting the information about the how to get the PDF file in EndNote article search and how to do in-text citation. I am talking about these things in today's video. In the previous video of EndNote tutorial, we have discussed how to search the online literatures, online articles in EndNote. So this is the other video. This will be explaining about how to get the PDF files after we search the articles in the online and how to do the in-text citation. Okay. At first, let us suppose that from the first video we already searched the articles regarding our interest topic, and now here are the list of the articles. Now I will show how to get the PDF file. These articles are searched through the PubMed online search. If you haven't watched the first video how to search the online articles, please follow the link that I have put in the description so that you can relate the first video and the second video. Here I have searched the 25 literatures online articles and they don't have the PDF files till now. So what I will do is to get the PDF files, first select all the articles. I will press a shortcut key Ctrl A, and then after the shortcut key Ctrl A, all the 25 searched articles are selected. Now we should do the right click over these selected articles, and here you can see the find full text. Here you don't see the find full text option to be clicked. We can't click this option. This is the reason because we have not copied this all the search article to our library. This is in online library now. So for this we will be taking these our searched all the articles to our own library. Here you can see the three options. Now we are in the middle online search mode, in the middle temporary library, and the first one is our local library. I will click this local library, and here you can see the my group. I will click the my group and right click on the my group and click on the create group. I have searched the articles about the COVID vaccine, so I will give the name of this group for the COVID vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, this is our local library. Now in at the top you are looking that there are three options. The last one is integrated library online search mode. We will not go on this. We will get the articles from the online search mode, that is in the middle option, second option. These articles are in the second option. Ctrl A, select all the articles and send this article to the own group. Here you can see, if you do the right click, again I will repeat, Ctrl A. After the Ctrl A options, click on right click and go to the add reference to, and after the add reference to, you will see the group that we have formed just now, that is the COVID-19 vaccine. I will click in this group. Now these articles are sent copied to our local group. Now you can click in this first option, local library mode. The first option, we have already got 25 articles about COVID-19 vaccine here. Now we can click Ctrl A option and again repeat the same step, right click and go to the find full text. Now you can click in the full text. At the previous part in the video, I showed that the full text option, find full text option, was not clickable. We were not able to click. That was because it was in the online mode. We should copy all the articles that we have searched to our local library, then only we can search for the full text. That I have already done. I have completed all these steps. Now I will click on the full text, find full text, click on OK, and here you can see in the left side searching 25. The online search mode is searching the 25 full text article. Let's see how much article have the full text among these 25 and how much don't have any. Not found one and searching 24. We have to give time to complete these steps. You can see here searching 22, found PDF 1 and URL found 1, not found 2. We should wait for until the searching will have the 0 option. The number in the searching will go on decreasing until it will move to the 0. Let's wait for this. Online search, I have already found the 6 article having full text PDF till now. Let's wait until next 11 articles remaining. I will show how to get the PDF of those articles that we cannot found here. We will try for that also from the other online search mode from Google Scholar also. I will show that step also. Now the 2 articles are remaining. The final one is remaining. Finished. So altogether we had searched the 25 online articles, and here the online system have found the PDF 16, URL 3 and not found 6, altogether 25. So 6 articles were not found having PDF. So here you can see the sign of this link attachment. Click on this, and these are the first 6 articles which were not having any PDF, and again click on this. These are the 16 articles that were having the PDF, and you can see the PDF in the right side also. I will click on the first article, the PDF is shown here. I will click on the second article, the PDF is shown here. I will click on the third article, PDF is shown here. Now I will click on the 11th article which is not having the PDF. Let's click. See, there is no any PDF. So if these articles have no any PDF, and we will try searching these articles in Google Scholar, and we can add these articles in PDF file in our this library also. I will show in the next video how to get the PDF attached from the Google Scholar or Google, where we about which article we don't get PDF here in EndNote. I will show those steps in next video. Now I will show how to do in-text citation from the EndNote to the Word file that where we used to write up our literatures. See, first click. Let's click on the first article, one of the article. In the right side here you can see arrow button. This arrow button click will show the PDF in the full screen version. Let's click on this. See, this is the first article that found the PDF, and we while writing the literature we used to go line to line. We used to go thoroughly with full study of this article, and we will take a message from here and we will write in our Word file as a literature. So let's suppose we will take a copy of one sentence from here. The first vaccine against the novel pathogen SARS-CoV-2 were deployed just 9 months after the COVID-19 outbreak was declared a global pandemic. Suppose this is this sentence we want to take to our literature review section in our Word file. Select the content that you want to copy and right click and copy. But one thing you should remember, that we are not allowed to copy the sentence in the same format that was written in the article. That will create a plagiarism for us. So we should paraphrase the sentence, we should change the structure of sentence. We can only take the message and we can only take the content of understanding from the article, but we cannot copy the sentence as a whole from the article. So we should write the sentence in our own language. So for example, if the meaning of the first sentence, the first vaccine against novel pathogen SARS-CoV-2 were deployed just 9 months after the COVID-19 outbreak was declared as a global pandemic. For example, let's copy this sentence first and open the Word file. This is, for example, this is your literature review section. Okay, and copy this sentence here. I have copied the sentence that I took from the article. Okay, now this is the first sentence that I took from the article, and I have already said that we cannot write the sentence same in order. We cannot copy the same sentence from the article because we will be fined for the plagiarism. We will be caught for the plagiarism for this action. So we should write the sentence in our own language. We have already understood the meaning of this sentence. That means after the 9 months of the COVID-19 outbreak, the vaccine was first made or discovered in worldwide global situation. I will write the sentence in my own sentence. See, it was already 9 months after the COVID-19 outbreak. It was already 9 months after the COVID-19 outbreak when the first vaccine was discovered first vaccine was discovered. Finish. The meaning is same, but we write the literature in our own sentence. So delete these sentences. So this means we have taken this sentence, we have taken this message, we have taken this content of literature from the first article that we have selected in EndNote. Here we can see. Now let's first close this article. Click in the cross button here. You can see in the right corner. So this is the first article. We took the first sentence from this article, and the first sentence is, it was already 9 months after the COVID-19 outbreak when the first vaccine was discovered. So now here we are going to do a in-text citation. Keep on the cursor where you want to see, where you want to in-text the citation. I have put a cursor here, and I will go to the EndNote, and this is the article that we want to do a in-text citation. We should click on the article for which we want to do in-text citation in the Word file. So this is the first article. I will select this article. I have clicked, and you can see a dark blue selected color in the selected article. I select this first article. I have already put the cursor here also where I want to do an in-text citation. I will go to the EndNote. The article is selected. Now you can see in the top there is an arrow. The arrow focusing the downward, and keep the cursor in that arrow. What it says, insert the citation. Here is written insert the citation. I will click on this. Now the Word file automatically opened, and you can see a in-text citation here. See, this is the article reference. The list of reference automatically appears here, and here is a in-text citation. For example, I will write a second sentence. Let us suppose I copied a second sentence from the another article. The second sentence is almost half of the young people in Pakistan are not ready to accept the vaccine previously. Suppose this is the second sentence that I copied from this second article. This is, for example, just imagine this is the second article where I have selected in the second article, and this is the second sentence I took from this second article, and I will keep the cursor here. I will do the in-text citation. The article is selected. Go to the top, insert citation option, click. See, the Word file automatically open, the in-text citation is done, and the reference is automatically created here. This is the way how we do the in-text citation. This is one way. I will show you the another way also how we will do the in-text citation. Let's delete this reference. See, the reference is automatically deleted. Okay, now put the cursor here. I want to do the citation for the first sentence. See, the first sentence is taken from the first article. Select the first article. I have already selected. The cursor is kept here where I want to do the in-text citation, and here you can see the EndNote option. The EndNote option is only seen if you have added the EndNote in your Word file. You have linked the EndNote through the add in buttons. So I have already added the EndNote in Word file. Click on EndNote. I have already selected the article in the EndNote file. Now here you can, after you click in the EndNote, you can see here the insert citation. After you click the insert citation, see, you have clicked and you can see the 4 options. Here are insert citation, insert selected citation, insert note, insert figure. We have already selected, see, in the EndNote file we have selected the first article, and here the option says insert citation, says insert selected citation. We have already selected the citation in EndNote, so we should click in the second option, insert selected citation. Now the article is cited here. In the second sentence, we will again select this second article here, and we will go to the Word file and click on the EndNote, click on the insert citation, and click on insert selected citation. Now the article is cited. And if you want to change the reference style, here you can see it is in the Harvard style. See, click on EndNote. The reference is in Harvard style. If you want to change the reference in another style, for example, let's click on the APA style. Just click on the APA style and the article is changed in APA style. See, reference is changed in APA style. Now again I will choose the another option. See, Harvard number Vancouver. You can see the Vancouver style here. Click on Vancouver style. See, the article is changed into the in-text citation is changed into Vancouver style. This is the 2 ways that we did the in-text citation. In this video I have shown a simple example. This is the way how we search for the full text PDF and how we do the in-text citation. I hope you got some information about the in-text citation from this video, and if you have any confusion, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. And first you should focus on the first tutorial video that I have kept in the description, the link of the first video to how to search the online articles in EndNote. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share among your circle, among your friends. And if you want more updates about the EndNote and other health related softwares and other research softwares and other health related information, please do not forget to subscribe this channel also. And this was for today. Thank you.